Hey guys, let's talk about gallery here in chapter 3 and what we need to turn in and what we need to do for the video. So again, when you're ready to show this to me, number one, again, you want to show me your files section over here, again, with all your different pages that you've made. I'm going to want to see your template, so make sure you bring up your template first. So what am I looking for here? I'll be looking for your image here and your logo. I'll be looking for your image placeholder here in your editable region, and also you have an editable region down here for the content. Again, I don't have to preview this within a browser here. I will want to see the individual pages. The other thing I want to make sure you understand are the images. Again, when you click on the images folder here, you should see all these images here. Now, where did they come from? Again, back in the Schoology page here for gallery. Again, you have your zip file there. So when you download your zip file and you open this up, you have to extract all these, but here's all your images. So they have to go to your images folder in your last name, first initial on your desktop, okay? I'm starting to see a few things, like I don't put your gallery zip file inside there. So when people are showing me um, their pages here, sometimes I'm seeing like those zip files in here. Just try to keep this neat and clean. I think I'll probably be best served on that. So make sure again, your gallery looks like this as far as this. So you should have the templates, images, and CSS. So once you have everything ready to go ahead and bring up your index page, preview in browser. Again, for those who are having trouble with the preview in browser, you're just going to go back to your desktop and bring it up off there. So now listen, when you show this to me, again, couple things, again, full screen, not half. I need to be able to see the tab. I need to see everything. I have to see that it's centered. One thing I want you to do is I want you to mouse over your links. Okay, we're not going to click on it just yet, but I want to see the hover on there to make sure that you have that set properly on here. I want to make sure that it's only showing the orange, okay, as you go from link to link, and then when you hover over it, it turns slightly yellow on that. So here's a picture we put in on the index page. I scroll down. I've got the border below my content. I have my border up here above my navigation as well. You do not have to click on these links here, but I want you to hover over this so I can read the content that shows up down here above your status bar. Okay, so it will tell me that's a Facebook link. Same thing on your Twitter. So once you do that on the index, you're fine. You don't have to show that to me again. Go back to your services page, click on that link. Okay, so you should have a picture there. You don't have any content there yet. Okay, portfolio. Again, same thing here. You have your image here for your section, and then you do have some content. So you have the portraits, family, and baby picture here. Okay, just scroll down so I can see that. Pricing. This is the image. It should be on that page. The session page should have this picture here, and contact. And really the only thing else on the contact page is your email. So all you have to do is mouse over this, and again, your screen tip at the lower left corner should come up. It'll say mail to. That's all I need to see, and that's really all you needed to show me for gallery in chapter 3.